But have you ever used food? That's what I want to know.
Food, I have. Yeah, I have used food, and twice. We used to have a thing called walk and talk, WOK and talk.
Hmm.
And what we did was we hired the place, these teriyaki places, the ones with
Yeah.
the chef, and we would actually try it with food to make, what food, what would be the dish be for this meeting? What would the dish be for this
Yeah.
company? So it's not quite as creative as perhaps art is, but the walk and talk thing worked because what we did was we gave them a challenge, and they had to go and talk about the challenge, but then they had to instruct the chef on what dish to make. That was the talk part of it. So it was walk
Yeah.
and talk.
Yeah.
So we did that mainly. That was again mainly in the technology world, but I also did it with some retail companies. So yeah, we did it. And music's
Yeah.
the other one. We've done it with music quite a lot,
Mm.
and we both know some people that
We do indeed.
need to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I accidentally did it once with food. I didn't intend to. It was at an association of MBAs event, which I
Right.
organised. And I've been doing this thing about modelling organisations. And most people, you do it with, you can do it with Lego. You can do it
Yeah.
with all sorts.
Marshmallows or whatever. Yeah.
Whatever. I just
Yeah.
had a load of stuff there for
Yeah.
people to model their organisation with, not intending for them to use any particular thing. And it
Yes.
was before we had the buffet, but the buffet was there in the room.
Right.
And as with these things, you don't tell people what to do, but if they go off and do it, you just let them. And they did all their modelling with the buffet. No, there was sausages on sticks and sandwiches and
Excellent.
little sort of
Excellent.
like cocktail umbrellas and
Yes.
all. But if people want to do that.